The Shiba Inu world is buzzing with excitement and anxiety. A massive transfer of trillions of SHIB tokens has sent ripples through the community. This whale alert has everyone wondering, is this the start of a major price surge or a sign of an impending sell-off? These large transactions, often referred to as whale movements, are not uncommon in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. However, the sheer volume of SHIB tokens moved this time has caught everyone's attention. It has sparked intense speculation and analysis, as investors try to decipher the potential impact on the market. The implications of this whale movement are significant. It could signal a bullish sentiment, with the whale accumulating more SHIB in anticipation of a price rally. Conversely, it could be a bearish signal, with the whale preparing to offload their holdings and potentially trigger a price drop. Understanding the motivations behind such large movements is crucial for investors seeking to navigate the SHIB market. Let's dive deeper into the details of this transfer and explore the possible scenarios that might unfold in the coming days. While the identity of the whale remains unknown, the details of the transaction are public on the blockchain. A staggering, insert specific amount of SHIB tokens here, were moved in a single transaction. This equates to roughly insert dollar equivalent of the transaction, at current market prices. The source and destination wallets of the transfer are also publicly viewable. Analyzing the history of these wallets can provide valuable insights. For instance, if the source wallet is known to be associated with early SHIB investors, it could suggest a long-term holding strategy. On the other hand, if the destination wallet is new, or shows a pattern of frequent trading, it might indicate a more short-term profit-driven motive. The timing of the transfer is also crucial. Did it coincide with any significant news or events in the crypto space? Was there a recent price surge or dip that might have influenced the whale's decision? The million-dollar question on everyone's mind is, will this whale movement lead to a SHIB price pump or a dump? The answer, unfortunately, is not so straightforward. There are compelling arguments to be made for both scenarios. On the bullish side, the sheer size of the transfer could attract more investors to SHIB. The logic here is simple. If a whale is buying, maybe I should too. This increased demand could potentially drive up the price, leading to a pump. However, the bearish perspective cannot be ignored. If the whale intends to sell their massive holdings, it could flood the market with SHIB. This oversupply could trigger a sell-off, pushing the price downwards in a dump scenario. Beyond speculation, on-chain data and market sentiment can offer valuable clues about the potential direction of SHIB's price. Analyzing metrics like trading volume, active addresses, and social media mentions can provide a more holistic picture. For example, a surge in trading volume accompanying the whale movement might suggest increased interest and potential for a price pump. Similarly, a rise in active SHIB addresses could indicate growing adoption and a positive outlook. Market sentiment, as reflected in social media discussions and news articles, is another crucial factor to consider. Are people feeling bullish or bearish about SHIB? Understanding the overall sentiment can help gauge the likelihood of a pump or dump scenario. Navigating the often turbulent waters of the SHIB market requires vigilance and careful observation. Now more than ever, staying informed is key. Keep a close eye on the following price action. Monitor SHIB's price movements in the coming days and weeks. Look for any significant breakouts above key resistance levels or breakdowns below support levels. Whale activity. Track any further large transactions involving SHIB. Multiple whale movements in the same direction could signal a strong trend. On-chain metrics. Pay attention to changes in trading volume, active addresses, and other relevant on-chain indicators. Market sentiment. Stay abreast of news and discussions surrounding SHIB. Gauge the overall sentiment among investors and analysts. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and past performance is not indicative of future results. Do your own research, manage your risks, and make informed decisions. Staying updated on whale movements and other market trends is crucial for navigating the exciting world of SHIB and other cryptocurrencies.